Hi, I'm Jennifer Putland. I'm an education coordinator at Ocean Networks Canada at the University of Victoria in Victoria, BC, Canada. Before I begin, I would like to acknowledge with respect that the university stands on the traditional territory of the Lekwungen people. This is land that the Esquimalt, the Songhees, and the Masonic peoples continue to have historical relationships to this day. So today I'm actually at Ocean Networks Canada and I'm in the kitchen here. And the reason I'm here is because I want to show you some activities that you can do at home to help you better understand some of the ways in which the ocean is impacted by carbon dioxide and warming. So I encourage you to do these activities. And if you do and you want to share the results of the activities or maybe a video of yourself doing the activities, please share them with us on Twitter and tag us at Ocean Networks #KnowTheOcean. Sea ice is a defining feature of the Arctic. It is critical to the Earth's heat budget. It's a platform for the Inuit to move and hunt upon. And it is a habitat for a multitude of flora and fauna. A surface view of the sea ice doesn't typically reveal the fascinating microscopic algae that live within and underneath the sea ice, and that supports the entire Arctic food web. Understanding how these microscopic algae respond to melting sea ice is critical toward predicting the impact of climate change in the Arctic ecosystem. Okay, so for this particular activity, you're going to be looking at just one impact of melting sea ice on sea ice algae. For this activity, you need a few things: a measuring cup. You're going to need 2 glasses. One of them is going to have just regular tap water and the other will have warm or hot water. This is spice. I like to use chili powder, but you can use other spice. And an ice cube tray. To start, dash a bit of pepper or chili powder into 2 cubes of the ice cube tray. Add water to the cubes. Place the ice cube tray in the freezer until cubes are fully frozen. Place 1 frozen cube into the glass with cold water and another cube into the glass with hot water. Now, observe the pepper or the chili powder in each glass. What is happening to the bits of spice attached to the ice? And do you notice any difference between the glasses? The bits of spice represent algae living attached to the underside of sea ice. Melting sea ice releases the algae into the water column, which reduces the food available to the organisms adapted to grazing on sea ice algae. This will, in turn, impact energy flow through the Arctic food web. If you wish to share your activity results with us, please do this on Twitter and tag us at Ocean Networks #KnowTheOcean. Now, before we move on to the next activity, be sure to clean up your equipment and answer any teacher questions. See you at the next activity.